Arduino project lab number 1. This is the Arduino microcomputer, which is basically the heart of all the Arduino projects. It's basically a computer. This is the bread box, which is basically a board that you can build circuits on top of. This is the power source, which is connected to my computer. Currently, this circuit is in series, which means the electricity flows one way. The red wire right here is the power wire, which is connected to the 5-volt option on the microcomputer. The black wire, which is the ground wire, which is connected to ground on both sides, is there for safety reasons and because the electricity needs somewhere to go to discharge. So the power's on right now, as you can see by the little LEDs on the microcomputer. The power comes in from this there, and then it goes here to the red wire. Then it goes through the resistor. The resistor is needed because the electricity will flow through this circuit without the resistor, but you need the resistor so that way the components don't short out, because it will have too much power and they don't know not to short out. So it flows through the resistor, and then it comes over here to the first button, and then the little jumper cable connects the second button, and then another jumper cable connects to the LED, which has an anode and a cathode. The anode receives the power, it's the positive side, and then it goes back to discharge it, which is connected by this jumper cable and the channel to the negative side of my power supply, which is the ground. And to complete the circuit, you light it up, you press both. You have to press both because without one, the circuit is still incomplete because the other one is still open. So you have to press both to complete the series circuit. Okay, so Arduino Lab project number 1, same circuit, but now it's in parallel configuration, which means the electricity is split, as you can see by the yellow and purple jumper cables. It's split so one button can be pushed at a time and the circuit will still be completed. The difference between series and parallel is that instead of having everything have to go in like a square, this one can take different routes. And since electricity, again, will take the path of least resistance, if I press this, the electricity will go through here. If I press this, it will go through that side, and the circuit will still be complete.